I threw a tablespoon of salt in the sink and look what happened. It is important that you know this trick. I will tell you everything that happens when you dare to throw a tablespoon of salt in the sink. Many do not know what this powerful trick is for, but I assure you that as soon as you know it, you will also do it, and you will thank me. And as is my custom, before I tell you what it is for to throw salt in the sink, I will give you some other unusual homemade tricks that you can do with salt, and that will surprise you how useful they are. I would also like to know from which country you are watching me, so I can say hello at the end of the videos. Salt tricks. Number 1. Remove the smell of garlic and onion from your hands. Both garlic and onion leave a very strong smell in the hands, and that is difficult to remove. Salt is very good for this. After washing your hands as usual, apply a little of this in your hands and rub it for a minute. When removing with water, you will notice that they will be without any smell. Number 2. Remove marks from clothes to the iron. As time goes by, the iron tends to darken. To avoid this, just add 1 or 2 tablespoons of salt to a piece of paper towel and then pass the iron over it. The darkened marks will come out little by little. Number 3. Remove the bad smell from shoes. If you have shoes that smell bad, don't worry, since salt is very good for this. Just put 1 or 2 tablespoons and let it rest overnight. The next morning, the shoe will be without any smell and you will be quite surprised. Number 4. To clean broken eggs. When an egg falls, it tends to leave the place very sticky and with a bad smell. Salt is very good for this. Just put 1 or 2 tablespoons on top of the egg. Take a sheet of paper towel and dry as usual. It will not be sticky or smelly. You won't even notice that the egg broke. Number 5. Uncover the drain in the kitchen. If the sink is covered and you don't know what to do, salt will be your best ally. Add 2 tablespoons in the sink and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then add a cup of preheated water. This will uncover the pipe instantly. Number 6. Cool the drinks quickly. Salt speeds up the freezing process of ice. When you have a hot drink and you want to cool it down in 10 minutes, just take a few tablespoons of salt and put them in an ice cube. Then put the ice cubes in the fridge. Then place the drink on top and it will cool down in a few minutes. Now we come to the main trick of the video. In the drain, you can find many bacteria and germs that are in your bathroom every day in an imperceptible way. These can endanger your health and that of your family. So when you go to the bathroom, add a tablespoon of salt since bacteria and germs can't stand the sodium and iodine it contains. And the best thing is that it doesn't damage the environment and we all have it at home. By just doing this, the bacteria will go away at once. Which of these tricks did you think was the coolest? If you know any other trick or application of salt, let me know below. Today's greeting is for Julio Paniagua from Nicaragua and for Carmela Lope from Spain. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive any special advice, let me know below. I'm always reading your suggestions. So far today's video. I say goodbye wishing you the best of luck.